Gobbled jerky nibbles. I'll give you $1 to eat one of these.
Hey, I ate one of the other ones, didn't I, Kenny?
Did you really?
Sure did. They were good.
Here, bro. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Kicking It Country. Today we're going to do the December BarkBox.
He says, what's in the box?
And in the December BarkBox, it is Santa's Work Chop. See, 2 toys. This one here is Aeroplane.
Here's it, bro.
And this is Dingle Bell.
That's you. He's got a squishy hat.
Gosh, yeah, we need something like the racket while we're trying to sleep.
Which one? Bro, look. Which one? Here.
And
Here, buddy. Brody. Get it.
ain't much for pilot.
Next.
Along with the dingleberries and not dinglebell. Not dingleberries. Dinglebell and aeroplane is Gobble Jerky Nibbles.
Oh, those are for Kenny.
Turkey recipe with sweet taters. Great dogs get great treats.
It's better than these lucky soft bakes. Chicken recipe with vegetables.
And this is Candy Canine Cookie. Cause your dog's on the nice list.
Not my dog.
And that's all of it.
Now.
So they got 2 treats, 2 cookies, 2 squeaky toys, and it says,
Oh, Lord. Can I go get a little bit now? Here, put this in there. I don't want to be your box.
we are doing Santa Claus a solid.
This is a little bit. To be
We,
named later.
we were dropped off a Christmas present and told to keep it till Christmas.
Want some lucky soft bakes?
This is the Christmas present.
Hold on, let me open them.
The dog has no name, so we've been calling him a little bit.
Her.
Her. It is a black lab.
Okay, here. Look. Yeah.
And we are keeping room and board until
Ooh. What's that?
Santa Claus comes back to get
Is
it
that good?
Christmas Eve.
Loves Brody. They're best buddies. The cat hated her to start with, but now they're best buddies. And he says, give me some more. One more. I think they like the treat. Sit. Sit.
So,
Get it. Doggy approved.
doggy approved on the treats. It ain't played with that squeaky thing.
Sit.
So that's good.
Sit.
No. You paid in the floor, so you don't get one.
So that is December's BarkBox. Take an Elfie.
Employee of the month.
That says take an Elfie.
Employee of the month. I got Jelly of the Month Club.
The only way you will ever win employee of the month. Take an Elfie.
We're still looking for the one for the cat. I was heard that Chewy
Chewy.
does. They don't have a meow box, but Chewy
Chewy does not.
dogs and cats.
I looked when I ordered his Max suit
You need to
that
talk
he
to-
never got.
You need to talk to Chewy. But anyways, December BarkBox come with 2 treats, 2 cookies, and 2 squeaky toys.
Clucky soft bakes and gobble jerky niblets.
Airplane and dingleberries.
No,
Dinglebell.
no, no.
Dinglebell. Dinglebell.
Little bit took off a dingle bell, so
Yeah, he's under the bed.
yeah.
So if you have asked Santa for a black lab, I have it. And
If you're real lucky, Aiden will give it back.
we've kind of took up with it. But it is leaving here December 24th with a fat man.
Are you taking the puppy?
I'm taking the puppy away. Going to a home that has asked for a little puppy for Christmas.
Mm.
So guys, no matter where you're at, no matter what you're doing,
Get out and take an Elfie.
get out and get a BarkBox with some dingleberries.
No, that's a whole nother story.
Until next time, we'll catch you later, guys.
Bye.
Gobble jerky nibbles. Here you go, Brody. Brody, sit. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Brody, lay. Lay.
Or scratch your
Brody,
butt.
lay. Lay. Brody. Lay. Lay. No.
That one's
Lay.
terrible.
Lay. Good boy. Good boy. All right, come get it. Good boy. Good boy. Soft baked. That is on. Oh my gosh. That smells like throw
Give
up.
little bit one so he'll be happy
That
while
smells
you
like
do
throw up and
room.
caddies.
Dirt up and cadets.
Little bit. Little bit. Right here. Sit. Come get it. Good boy. Good girl. Good whatever you are.
Non-binary, you.
Come here, Aiden. Come here, Aiden. Sit. Lay down. Go to sleep. We're out.